Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will discuss how to freeze rows and columns in Excel. First we will discuss how to freeze top row. As you can see in my worksheet there is a sales data of each month. To freeze the first row, which is header row, go to the view tab and click on freeze pans and select this option, freeze top row. Now the top row is locked. When you scroll down, you will notice all the data have been invisible except the top row. To freeze the first column, simply go to View tab, click on Freeze Pans and select this option, Freeze First Column. Now the first column have been frozen. Now we will discuss how to freeze multiple rows in Excel. Let's suppose your headers are in the row 4. I am going to freeze first 4 rows. I am going to select the row 5 and go to the View tab, click on Freeze Pans and select this option, Freeze Pans. So now our first 4 rows have been frozen. Now we will discuss how to freeze rows and columns at a time. Like I want to log top 4 rows and first 2 columns. For this, select the cell below the row 4 and to the right of the column B, which is cell C5. Go to the freeze pan and select the option freeze pans. So these are the methods to freeze rows and columns in Excel. If you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.